see. Wow. Hi, well done. Thank you. Fresh egg.
Finish here?
Yes. Do your own way. We will mix with fresh chili and fresh tomato and olives. This olive. Keep for garnish. Okay. We have some pepper, chili flakes. So this is spicy. Chef, give me some salt. Chef Sanjeev. Wow, looks delicious. This is spicy pide with fresh chili. Going to add some salt. And we have today grated cheese and halloumi. We will mix our grated cheese with all vegetables and egg. This will use as a filling for the pide. This is very huge, big pide. Look at this. Wow. Add more cheese. So guys, thank you very much. And join with our live video. So don't forget to subscribe and join with us. Every day we will teach you something new. This is our spicy breakfast pide. This is how the way we make the shape. Look at this. Guys, thank you very much. Stay, continue. We will go baking. If you like our video, if you feel something learned, so don't forget to subscribe. It is very helpful for us. Wow, this looks so delicious. Thank you very much, guys. Chip Sanjeeva, can you preheat the oven 300? 300? Yes. Yeah? Yes, yeah. Wow. Look very rich. Right. So I will show you now. 1 second, madam. I will come back. I will show you now. We're going to preheat the oven 300 Celsius. Okay. So I'm gonna put my temperature 300 and I preheat. Okay, number 5. Okay, let's go back. You can see. Okay, we need to use egg wash. So we will use egg spray fast. Okay, we will put some garnish. Wow, look at this. Sanjeev, please take one photo. Take one photo. So we'll use little bit za'atar for Arabic flavor. Hi, thank you. Good morning, Ranjini. So we always give chance for the Arabic cuisine. Hi, welcome to Sudan. Thank you very much. This is for you guys. This is pide with za'atar and olives. So especially this is for our Arabic clients. I hope you guys enjoy with our video. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go for baking. Let's go. So my oven is now almost ready. We did preheat 300 Celsius. Oh, it's calling us. Let's go. Yalla bina. And number 3, how many minutes, chef? 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. Look at this. This one fast cooking with high temperature. Okay. See. Thank you. Thank you for your guys comment. Thank you your comment. So guys, keep subscribe. We will teach you every day something new. This is my vision. I'm here for try to help to people to learn something, giving ideas, giving our techniques. Still have another 4 minutes. Let's see guys. Look at this. How's the reaction inside the oven? This based on like sourdough taste. Hi sir, I'm from Sri Lanka, but we are living in Dubai now. The Dubai Heaven restaurant in Abu Dhabi. So you guys welcome to here. Look, still have another 3 minutes. So stay with us guys. You will see how is the result of our pide. Wow, almost getting ready. This is very famous breakfast item. So if you watch the video since beginning, you will see how to do this. This is very easy and simple. Look at this, almost color change. Already start cooking. Wow. Yes. Look at this. Still have another 2 minutes. My mouth already melting to taste this. Wow. Look at this. It's delicious. This is for our Arabic clients, Arabic friends. So all are welcome. This is contained with za'atar, halloumi, egg and sesame. So this is for your breakfast guys. Enjoy with our video and subscribe. Join with us every day. We do like cooking. You can see now almost ready. Only 1 minute remaining. Wow, it's very delicious. Almost ready, huh? This is very rich breakfast item and very famous for Arabic people. Check one time. Okay, let's check one time how it's inside. Wow. The base. Wow. Yes. It's ready now. This is for you. Okay. Let's go. Let's test the pide. Please bring the cutting board. Yalla bina. Let's taste. Okay. You put some little olive oil and little butter. Wow. This is very big, huge. So before tasting, I'm gonna put some olive oil. Wow. Let's cut. I hope you can hear the crunch sound. Wow. Wow. Look at this. It's very hot and very fresh. Look at this, guys. Wow. It's very delicious. And it has very nice taste over there. Look. Okay. I like to have some olive oil. Very nice. Really nice. Mother, please give me one big plate. Thank you very much, guys. This is for you. This is for your breakfast. Okay. Let's. So enjoy with our nice pide, guys. This is awesome. This is very nice. Like this, how it looks. So thank you very much, guys. Stay with us. So I will finish this cooking lesson. So after 10 minutes I will come back with another live video. So thank you very much, guys. Yalla bina. See you after 10 minutes. Thank you very much for your comment, for your support. See you after 10 minutes. Thank you very much.